This is a Fox 17 Winter Weather Alert.
All right, here we go, everybody. Let's talk some weather. We saw some snow in the overnight, obviously, about, I'd say, a solid 4 to 5 or possibly 6 inches in Grand Rapids in the overnight. There was some compacting of this snow, so the depth of 4, 5, 6 inches likely tallied on grassy surfaces, maybe shrubbery, things like that. On the pavement, it was more like, 3.5 inches to my eye, I noticed on the north side of Grand Rapids. But here are some of the totals that I have picked off the National Weather Service this morning. Grand Rapids officially at the airport, 5.3 inches out near Hastings. Similar tally, Big Rapids at 4.5 inches, and those sections closer towards the lakeshore that we were anticipating that would see the greatest amounts, that did appear to be the case for the most part. Now, we still do have some light snow coming down, but what's interesting is that it's been very warm recently, obviously, and the ground is warmer than it probably typically would be this time of year. So with air temperatures around 30, we're actually seeing these snowflakes pretty much melt on the pavement at this point, other than just that maybe heavier snow shower around West Michigan that could be depositing a new coating for some of us. And that'll be the story going into the afternoon. No major accumulations at this point. Temperatures right around 30 degrees through 4 o'clock, even 7 p.m. this evening. We'll call it 29 degrees, and similar territory if you're headed out for New Year's Eve festivities. I would not be looking for any big snow. Just a flurry and lots of clouds around. It will be chilly with wind chills in the teens. We still do have winter weather advisories officially in effect until 7 o'clock this evening. But again, the bulk of the snowfall is over with. Watch it on those secondary streets especially. And as we get towards dusk after 5 o'clock, there could be some refreezing once we lose the daylight. That, of course, we're not seeing sunshine, but you do get some radiation through those clouds, helping to melt things on the pavement just a bit more. We've got some flurries and light snow showers around. We'll zoom it in, take a look, and some of those deeper purples to the north of I-96. That's where a few of these snow showers are coming down at a better clip. But the majority of what you're looking at there now is just flurry activity or light snow showers that is really not collecting a whole lot. This is one of our models going forward today. You can see what I'm talking about, a dusting, a coating. Maybe somebody localized picks up a half of an inch or even a little bit more than that, but I wouldn't be too fearful of any great snow amounts going forward today. 30 degrees at last check in GR. Muskegon to Holland similar. Kalamazoo and Battle Creek 28 and 27 respectively. We've got a west wind still blowing around 15 to 20 or 25 miles per hour and gusting to 30 plus at times along the lakeshore. So even though we don't have the lakeshore flood advisories anymore, folks, there are still some waves out there around 7 to 8, even 9 feet. So beach erosion to some degree is still taking place. Feels like temperatures or wind chills in the upper teens. It is a cool day. A lot of people moving around tonight, and it'll be similar territory with those feels like numbers. Future Track HD, we're putting it in motion, and we run it out towards 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Still the model hinting at a couple flurries or light snow showers, and I think that's pretty accurate. Even towards 8 o'clock and probably even towards midnight, you can't rule out a flurry or two, but nothing accumulating. We'll keep the clouds in the overnight, probably start off with clouds tomorrow, but trend towards some afternoon sunshine. And with southwest winds returning, that's going to help to boost our temperatures into the middle 30s already. So with the sun, I think we're going to be melting and compacting some snow already on Wednesday. Now take a look at the model we'll pick up on Thursday, and it'll be a dry day Thursday, but clouds will be on the increase. Once we get towards late evening into the overnight, there will be another round of some light rain and drizzle approaching. This will not be a major rain event like the one that came through over the past couple days. We picked up 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain, but it will help to melt our snow that we received this morning. As the system moves off to the east, we bring down some colder air, folks, on Saturday. So there could be a change over to snow showers that we got to keep our eyes on. Right now, nothing set in stone, but some light accumulations are on the table. We'll see about that. Temperature's really not bad, though. Listen, Nicole, look at this. It's early January starting tomorrow. We got 40s and at worst 30s through the weekend.